After years of use, it seemed like this LED truck was on its last leg. Most said it couldn't be fixed, but Azar Pixels saw it differently. Our team began by carefully inspecting the truck and methodically removing the old LED panels from the sides. Since the replacement panels were different from the original, we had readjusted the truck's frame to ensure precision and a secure fit. Next, we installed brand new Azar Pixel outdoor LED panels, giving the truck a completely new display built for reliability and performance. Once the job was done, our team walked the owners through the entire system, showing them how to operate it and answer any questions they had so they could hit the road with confidence. When others said it can't be fixed, Azar Pixel finds a way. Need LED display installation, repair, or upgrade? Contact Azar Pixel today.